Hey guys, so I don't even know if I've said this on my YouTube channel before, but my cousin Taylor is getting married in August. Really special. She's known Jalen for like 7 to 10 years, I'm thinking. They're high school sweethearts, so they've known each other for a really long time and they're so cute together. I'm so happy for them. What makes it really special is she's asked me to be her maid of honor and I'm so excited. It's kind of like a full circle moment because my mom was her mom's maid of honor when my Aunt Tammy got married. So it's just really exciting. I'm so happy for them, if I haven't said that 1,000 times. But I really just want to be the best maid of honor that I can be. Today is July 7th, 7/7, very lucky day. Let's see what maid of honor duties we have for the day. I just got a package in the mail. Let's see what it is. JK, I already opened it. I already know what it is. So each guest attending the wedding will get a to-go box of Krispy Kreme donuts. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a completed project. We're just going to do it from beginning to end on my Cricut machine. And I'm going to be putting a Krispy Kreme decal on here, as well as Taylor and Jalen August 14th, 2022, which is their wedding date. So I think that'll be a really special touch. And the morning of the wedding, we're going to Krispy Kreme and definitely getting dozens of donuts. So they're fresh. And this is what we're working with right now. So I think there's like 250 in here right now. Okay, so the materials that I'm going to be using for this project, I use an Explorer Air 2. This is my baby. She does so many great things for me. I put everything on a hard drive. That way I don't use up all the storage on my computer. But I'm going to be using the Krispy Kreme logo, which is red and green. So I have like 20 of each color of the premium vinyl, just in case, because I didn't know how much I was going to need. But they were all on sale, so that's really good. And then I'm going to use a 24-inch mat because I want to print out everything in bulk. That way I can get it done a little bit quicker. I got this 24-inch mat on Amazon. I recommend if you have a Cricut. I prefer the Cricut brand of my vinyl and stuff just because I think it works really well. But if you can find anything on Amazon that's even like 50% cheaper and the reviews are still the same, I would definitely invest in that. There's a lot of products on Amazon. You can just simply pull up the reviews on YouTube and you'll be saving so much money if you just would have gotten that versus the Cricut brand. So definitely. And I have all of my tools in here, so I'm just gonna set everything up and pull up the file. Oh, and one of the most important things is the boxes. So I'm gonna go into Cricut. We're gonna go and launch the Cricut world. Okay, so we decided that we're gonna put the Krispy Kreme on the front of the box, and then it'll say Taylor and Jalen on the front. Oh shit. Okay, we decided we're gonna put the Krispy Kreme logo on the front of the box, and then have their names, so Taylor and Jalen on the front, and the date on the bottom, so it'll all look pretty seamless. 3.5. Yeah, I think 3.5 inches is good, and then for their name on the front, as long as it's 3.5 inches long and not any shorter than a half an inch. That is small. First, I'll go ahead and do the green. So I'm just gonna keep copying and pasting this. I'll just go into duplicate, and I'm just gonna do this probably as many times as I can to get to 24 inches to fill up this entire board. That way I can get the most done. Okay, I have all of the green lined up and ready. This is all the donuts. So I went ahead and did, this is 12 by 24. When it goes on the mat, I'll be able to utilize the entire mat and probably get the project done more efficiently. So that's great. Things on. I'm so excited. Okay, make sure this thing is set onto vinyl. I think it is. Okay, here we go. This is the best quality vinyl. I'm not lying, it's really, really good. Okay, so this seems to have come out really nice. It came out wonderful, absolutely perfect. Okay, the font is literally the same as Krispy Kreme. The font and everything, it came out wonderful. So I just peeled all the stickers off and I just put them on my finger. So now I'm just gonna see how many I have so I can figure out how many boards I need to do to get to 250 so I can do all the boxes, and then I'll switch it to the red vinyl and do the Krispy Kreme font. So let me okay, I have almost one done. I just took off the green. Now I just have to go and take out the donut with the little thingy. I have the next one cutting now and 15%. We have a little ways to go, but we're doing great. Okay, just checking in. I think I'm like halfway done. Ooh, it got really, really cold in here. Okay, so this is, I think I have, out of all of them, 2 of them messed up. I can't believe it. But I was able to save them. Anyways, this is what they're looking like. They're looking really good so far. Let me do the red now. Okay, I have loaded up my red. I have my red vinyl on the mat. Now I'm about to get the Krispy Kreme logo, the Krispy Kreme red logo ready to print. So. Okay, little update. I am a little tired, I'm not gonna lie. It's only like 1:30 though, so we're gonna say I had to get out of my orange because the green and the orange just were not giving a really cute look. So okay, time to reveal almost the finished product. Ta-da! Really cute. I just got home from work, but I wanted to show you guys the finished product. Ta-da! I'm so happy with how it came out. Looks really cute. So the day of the wedding or reception, I'm just gonna pop some donuts in these bad boys and we're good to go. So excited. Congratulations to Taylor and Jalen. I love you guys so, so much. I low-key am a crazy crafting lady. Anything that has to do with like crafting or DIY projects, I'm all in. I love that kind of stuff. So I had a lot of fun. If you enjoyed this tutorial of this Cricut project, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I can't wait to see you guys in the next video.